We all love the flavored syrups in our lattes and macchiatos, but those syrups they use at Coffee Bucks are loaded with a bunch of garbage, like preservatives and artificial flavor. So, here's how you can make your own butterscotch syrup with completely natural ingredients you probably have at home right now. All you need is water, white sugar, brown sugar, salt, butter, and vanilla. First, make a quick simple syrup. Just mix in 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, and boil it until the sugar dissolves. Then, set it aside. Next, grab a big saucepan, turn up the heat, and stir together a fourth of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter. Keep stirring until you see a caramel colored foam like this. Then, pour about half the simple syrup into the butterscotch. Once the bubbling calms down, add the rest of the simple syrup and stir for a few minutes over low heat. Then, just add a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and your delicious homemade butterscotch syrup is ready. And you can impress your friends when you serve homemade butterscotch lattes and macchiatos that are even better than coffee bucks. Follow us at Mere Coffee to learn how to make better coffee for less money right in your home cafe.